Welcome to ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education Online BBA program. IFHE, Hyderabad is deemed to be university under Section 3 of the UGC Act, 1956, with NARC accreditation A++ grade. Part of the ICFAI group with 11 universities, 9 business schools, 8 law schools and 7 tech schools across India. The eligibility is 10+2 from a recognized board with the medium of instruction as English. Duration of this program is 3 years, with 6 semesters. The program includes 33 courses, including an internship program and a business research project. Assessment in the course comprises both continuous evaluation and end-of-semester examinations, which are conducted online. BBA benefits: equips with an in-demand undergraduate program in management, provides clarity on business fundamentals, imparts comprehensive management learning, a stepping stone for MBA studies. Dual degree benefits: student can simultaneously pursue a full-time program and the ICFAI Online BBA program, benefiting from a dual degree. This opens up immense opportunities. Career path: practical learning acquaints you with real-life business situations. Innovative pedagogy improves your personality through engagements and interactions. Exposure to diverse domains empowers you to understand business operations. Overall, you gain the knowledge, skills and the business fundamentals to work or study further. The advantage of flexibility: the online learning experience is built on multi-format content to make it flexible and enriching. Students are provided with flexible learning tools to balance their study commitments with other commitments while working towards completing their BBA. Make your learning resonate. Join ICFAI Online BBA today. Candidates are required to fill the application form online and upload the self-attested scanned copies of documents on our website and pay the admission fee along with semester fee or year-wise fee. For more details, contact us. Our experienced counselors will help you understand how our online BBA will enhance your personal profile. Thank you.